Hi, Salem. This tutorial's for you. Um, so basically, I'm just gonna show you how I make the image, and it's very, very, very fucking self-explanatory. And I have a separate board for all the thingy, for where we store the images, right? So I'm gonna show you how to do everything. All right. So let me first grab an image. And then we can figure out a theme. So I was thinking, instead of doing like images that represent action and Bollywood and all the other groups, right? We were gonna go by theme. So you know how I have these sexy beach girls inside water or whatever for the board stats. So let's figure out a theme for the member groups, right? Maybe it's marine animals or waves or some bullshit. I don't know. We'll figure it out. The hats. I don't know. So the groups would be different types of hats or apples or whatever the fuck. We could even do food, summery foods. I like that. So it could. All right. Anyway, so that's one thing. I wanted to do headers for both the post row area and the profile this time. So I want to see how far I can push the boundaries with that. So you might need to make two sets of images. So we might need to look for two themes. But again, we'll figure this shit out as we figure it out. It's not a big deal. All right. Oh, fuck. All right. Basically what I did was I resized it with Control T. And then I press play on image action 3, which is convert to smart object, play, 0.3 sharpening plus 10 by 10, right? It's a sharpening thing that I have that sharpens at 3 and then adds another sharpening layer on top of that. Oh, I can just show you right here. So the first one is 500 by 0.3 pixels, right? Cool. The second layer is 10 by 10. So this like darkens the skin. Okay? And the third layer, which is this, is the blur. This is set at 1, right? And then the opacity for it is 30%. Yeah. So it's sharp, but not too sharp. Because if this was like not blurred, it'd be nasty looking. Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's all that it is. And then this is the coloring. This is for POC people only. Well, it could be for anyone else, I don't care. But I would rather like not on white people because it's gonna darken their skin a little bit and we don't want that. Because this coloring that I made a little bit washes people out, so I just want to make sure we're not whitewashing anyone. You know what I mean? And this is just extra vibes, which is vibration. That's all that it is. It's nothing else. It's just hue and saturation and a vibration layer just to make it summery and pop and blah blah blah. There's a lot of blues in there, so. And this is the basic ass coloring. I took out the gradient fill layers and the desaturation layer because I didn't like it, but if you want, you can see how they look, but I'm personally not a fan of them, so I took it out. This was done on my original coloring, but as I started playing with it, it changed. All right, so that's pretty much it. So I'm going to send you the PSD and the action. The action is going to have a lot of my GIF things, so you can just ignore those. So if you want, you could delete start and finalize and GIF to timeline. If you delete those three, but if you want to use my GIF actions, by all means, please use it because they're awesome. And they make GIFs for you, so I don't have to do it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I don't know if I'm still recording. Oh yeah, I am. Okay, cool. All right, that's it. Thanks. Bye.